remove image background in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on the picture and click on Picture Format at the top. In here, click on Color. In Color, you will find different options. Click on Set Transparent Color at the bottom. Then, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Your background has been removed. And this is one of the way. Another way what you can do is, if there is any complicated backgrounds like this, click on the picture, click on Picture Format at the top. In here, click on Remove Background at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on Remove Background at the top left corner, simply click on Mark Areas to Keep if you have any areas that has not been captured. You can simply select the areas and then save it. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to remove image background in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.